Greetings, Executor. Though we all grieve for the loss of mighty Tassadar, we must find the resolve to carry on.
Alright, we're here. No need to get your psionic whatever in a twist.
Why are you late? And why is there a Zerg Overlord in my briefing room?
We found it interesting. It followed me home. It is quite agreeable.
It started as a normal night on Marsara. A few drinks, some cards. Then, someone said Zeratul couldn't tame an Overlord, and, well, here we are.
You do understand this is an enemy organism? You cannot simply adopt it.
Its name is now Bubbles.
He's kinda cute once you get used to him.
The Overlord just took a shit on the floor. After the briefing, you two will clean this.
It is a burden I am prepared to bear.
As I was saying, he sacrificed himself to destroy the Overmind. But many Zerg still rage across our ruined homeworld. Without the Conclave to lead us.
Executor, I know that you are reluctant to leave Ire in this dark hour, and that you still grieve for the loss of your comrade, Phoenix.
Yeah, still hurts. But honestly, every time you open with something dramatic, I know something unpleasant is coming.
We must locate Tassadar immediately. His actions have jeopardized everything. We must find him at once.
Oh great. A hunt. Can't wait to track down the one guy who actually saves galaxies.
I will not pursue him without my companion, Bubbles. He must accompany me.
Bubbles, I told you to get rid of him.
He remains loyal. His presence is required for the mission's success.
Unacceptable. Get that thing out of here.
We will leave. Come, Bubbles. I know when we are no longer welcome.
You made him sad.
How are we supposed to save the universe with these idiots?
Be prepared for anything, Executor. If there are still Zerg on this world, then they must surely know of our arrival.
Bubbles vanished near the rim of Marsara. I felt him briefly, but now he is gone. Did your forces pick up anything?
Oh, no. What a surprise. No one picked up any signals. You know, Overlords do tend to wander. Very independent creatures.
I see. I sensed him heading toward the canyon your troops are guarding.
That canyon is Jim's responsibility, not mine. I would never do anything to harm Bubbles.
Something is off. Bubbles wouldn't just vanish without reason, and I feel a disturbance in the psionic traces. Something unnatural.
Disturbance? Oh, probably just the wind. Yes, strong psionic winds. Overlords are sensitive, you know, very delicate.
The signs point toward planning. Someone prepared an ambush.
Planned? Ambush? Oh no! That must have been the Conclave. They handle all strategic matters. I had nothing to do with it. Absolutely nothing.
And you, Jim? Why were your forces guarding the canyon? Did they notice anything unusual?
Nothing unusual. Overlords move fast. Sometimes you just lose them.
I must go to look for him.
That was a close one.
He is going to be so pissed when he finds out what we did. I have no idea why he liked that Overlord so much.
The void has whispered of a prophecy that in the final cycle, when Dominion and Swarm collide and the stars tremble, a being of pure resonance would arise. I traveled through shadow and flame, but the visions have clarified, and the truth is far stranger. It is Bubbles. Yes, Bubbles, the small Overlord. He is the fulcrum upon which fate now turns.
Alright, Zeratul's out there, searching half the sector for that floating jelly sack. We need a story before he comes back.
A story. He believes Bubbles is the cosmic fulcrum of balance. How exactly does one soften? We vaporized him on purpose.
Well, we don't lead with the on-purpose part.
So we lie.
We adjust the truth. Maybe Bubbles wandered into a reactor core. Maybe he ascended. Maybe he...
Zeratul reads fate in the strands of the void. He will know if we lie. He always knows.
Alright, listen. We tell him Bubbles sacrificed himself.
Sacrificed himself. How?
Right, overloaded himself. Like a big floating bomb.
A noble detonation of destiny.
Love it. But how'd he get close to the Overmind without being ripped apart?
He disguised himself.
As what? A really ugly cloud?
As a normal Overlord. They all look the same to you anyway.
Fair point. Okay, so Bubbles infiltrates the swarm, drifts right up to the Overmind,
And channels the gift of the Zinaga.
and boom, cosmic kablooey.
We are totally going to get away with this. It is time to introduce the Executor to our secret member of this conspiracy. Executor, we are nearing the final phase of the narrative we prepared for Zeratul. It is time we reveal to you our secret member.
Yes, it is I, the Overmind. Together we shall weave a convincing tale that this Bubble still lives.
What in the hell is going on here?
Kerrigan, relax. We're just talking. No need for you to get involved.
Let me guess. You're struggling with one of Zeratul's so-called prophecies again?
Yes.
Then why don't you just tell him he's not actually good at prophecies?
That is not how men resolve such matters.
Oh really? So instead you kill his pet and send him wandering across the sector searching for it, believing he's destined to save the universe?
Yes.
And you, Overmind, are you even a man?
I do not experience emotional volatility and bleeding out of my ass as you do. By that definition, yes.
That is not how any of this works. Are you seriously telling me this is just a period joke?
Yes.
Ha 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 ha.